Okay, so in this video I'm going to remove this broken bolt by welding on a nut. So this bolt broke when I was trying to take the exhaust off to fix your exhaust leak. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure it's really clean. So I took a little wire wheel and a drill and cleaned it up. You put this nut on. There's not really much threads left, but you got to go to the bottom. And now I'm just going to put a weld around the lip here, connecting the nut to the stud. Alright, next I disconnected the battery, because it's always good to do that when you're welding on the car. And just find a good ground that's going to be clean. If it's not clean, clean it off. I'm using this strut bolt here that I used the wire wheel on. And hook the ground up, make sure you have good connection. It might get in the way, and I'm sorry about that, but I really have to make sure I do this correctly. It's kind of a difficult position. That might be enough. Let's see. Alright, so with the exhaust manifold in the car, it was really hard to get a grab on this thing. And I was having all sorts of problems in there. So I took the exhaust manifold off, it's in my vise, cut off what I did before, and I'm going to start over. So I have another nut, just going to put it right there, and we're going to weld this on. We go back and forth. Damn, it was coming. Alright, it was coming. Let's try it again. Damn it. Okay, I turned the wire speed down so it can hopefully burn more into the stud. That time the weld held, but the stud is just in there too tight. think we got it. Ouch. Finally. So I wasn't able to say because my compressor was on, but it seems like drilling a hole through really works because it really lets you get weld inside the stud. So you go inside the stud and then you come out and it gets a really good hold, whereas before it kept breaking. So I'm happy that it's out. I just gotta buy new bolts now. I'm happy I didn't have to re-tap anything. So, but that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, before I go, if you could like my Facebook page, I would really like that. Like and subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.